In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your portfolio images on the Fresha dashboard. Whether you're a business owner or service provider, keeping your portfolio up to date with your most recent work is essential for showcasing your skills and attracting new clients. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to make it as simple and straightforward as possible. To start, make sure you're logged into your Fresha account. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your gaze to the top right corner. Here, you'll find either your profile image or your initials. Give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled My Profile. Think of this as your personal hub, the place where you can manage everything about your profile, from your contact details to your professional portfolio. Next, within your profile, look for the section marked Portfolio. Directly beside it, you'll spot a button that says Manage. Clicking this will navigate you to a new page dedicated to all your portfolio images. This page is essentially your creative workspace where your visual representations of work can be regularly updated and polished. On this new page, you'll see a display of your current images. To change any of these, look for the Edit option and click on it. This takes us to the heart of the matter, where you can begin uploading new images or replacing outdated ones. To add new photos, find and click the Upload Images button. This action will prompt your computer's File Explorer to open up, allowing you to browse through and select the images you want to showcase. Make sure the photos you upload are high quality and accurately represent the work and services you offer. After your images have been successfully uploaded, it's crucial not to forget the final step: saving your changes. You'll find the Save button at the top of the page. Once you click it, all the updates you've made will be set in stone. And that's it. Your portfolio is now up to date, reflecting the best and latest of your work. This quick and efficient update process ensures your portfolio continues to serve as a dynamic and current display of your talent. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to update your portfolio images on Fresha. Keeping your work fresh and inviting is key to maintaining and growing your presence in the industry. Be sure to check back often for more tips and insights.